Sisi kama wakazi wa Garissa yafaa tuwe tumejitokeza.
We managed to test more than 3,000 people in Garissa County, and out of the 3,000 people, we managed that our positive rate is 192.
Through our social mobilization through the Ministry of Health, I think we have improving from where we were, and you can see as you walk in town now, many people are putting on masks. Yes, it was a challenge, but currently I think people are even taking corona as a real thing.
One of the challenges is that we don't do our test here. We have to take our samples to Nairobi, and it is very expensive. It's very expensive, one. And the other thing is that the turnaround time is also very cumbersome. Sometimes we stay 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 7 days waiting for result. Sometimes when you get the result, it turns positive. And you have been waiting for this result for maybe up to 5 days. So you can imagine the infections that is occurring. And these people have been coming every day, very anxious, asking for where is my result, where is my result. And the next minute you find that they disappear.